as government is intensifying its fight against galamsey, others are saying no, carry our shovel. Since you don't want us in the forest and lands, we are moving to the seaside. You understand? We are moving to the beach. It's government and ya brace a galamsey dear. Kiane was on Siano Quino. Just a youth say there be that and you'll be Siano Quina. Young so yet their strategy, but see a mine. Ewo puano. It is a miami him so bizarre was a puano sing. Aye. It's the answer of the stories in your brown. I would like for you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Like, comment, and share. You can follow us on all social media platforms, Authentic Class Studios. Into no son of a car and I say, my name say government, Galamsey wants them starting, and our government are trying the best, or trying the possible best near foot, be brave, say, or be care about Galamsey. Yet, citizens said that we are free A, because B, but I say, when you have breaches, what you high, before happy, and go on and be free back.
And the other any, or Ben, I see what if you are you see. Maybe you seven and Bema crying in your way. Bema, and they will pay us and who quite you my quad I will pay us and we want you 500 over. Galamsey for money, any more hair, ne? When we are moving, now, China be no, or China be no, yeah, no, now yes, and I have come and say, who, and they are mad to fear. Now, Bema, would I Bema? Yeah, man, I die you. A man, Kobisa, a man, I die. Well, shall I want your hoofy? Your quack would jolly head. What if you know when you got I want to yet, or your banana to your head? A two at what? Sankus. Yeah, Sankus. It's your way of his abler, I bet. Yeah, what yeah, na Donald share from to me fly. What's me fly? Hey, who your fees are no? A fees are no. Sika, Galamsey. Yeah, what do I? You don't to sao. And we are in tea.
It's him say, your match be 19 suspects of galamsey like suspected minors. Ewo empoho fiase. Yache 19 suspected galamsey minors.
Join them.
So to protect the environment and all that, into yache 19 suspects. Ni yache nkrofo we ni yet still. And me who video be yache nkrofo ewo mpoano. Ehonom no mukro mo shavels ne chan fine. Just mo ye adwuma gidigidi mo proti galamsey ewo mpoano.
Why is car good for you? Why is car? Why is car?
BIS protect the environment ye free hin ye bedroom puano. Just from land and other from forest to Empuano. And then also in him say, Bastor Boys see a video be concerning how our fish normal handle fish or a Tema new town.
What kind of self-destruction are we causing to ourselves? Look at us. Ball and ye, and I'm near. Ball and ye, and I'm near. Food and Drugs Authority. Good afternoon, sir. Hey! Oh, Papa, now where's that?
Emma no government to one a mountain power started demolition buildings near there. Now go for baby about on my back and say government and more notice. They didn't, tell them before. They didn't inform them. No prior notice. Say we are going to do any demolition. So if you have somewhere to move from or to move to, you should, start moving. According to them, since back say or no kokomoti and power into a dry anything at 4 years, maybe between 4 years, ni between ma. Honum no also better on power because government aim to me man be boo a structure and as a teacher watching them for so many years.
Yes, I could come to Uma Tabia, Uma Cashan, you are Missy, you Papa, because you show me Papa, not to call me Papa. By next 4 years, I could come to so when I video. It's less than tattoo me Robua, and 1 and a year. Next time tattoo, number Robua, and 1 and a year. It's having my son, because you show me Papa. Because you show me Papa. Me mama nyate money bi o ti sem go ade because show me Papa. By next 4 years, yes we kaka. I go come
Inti him say, of course, government should do these things because why would you stay close to a beachside where it could somehow be, a tourist something? Because your profit me but you people have taken it upon yourself to make that place look like a trash, environment or something. The place is very deplorable. And that's a government. I decide they say, oh, 2-1 and 1 na clear. You people are politicizing it. So must everything be politics in Ghana here? So even though I'm not supporting, say, government and more prior notice, and as a government and can't say, oh, muntu and I say more ample time to move out, and then you saying you fair. Yet still no how our more politics ever blackmail government near some way because for our own sake. Who blackmail government said 4 years be voting against must everything be politics in Ghana. And government will be cancer, which I would play for you to listen.
I've been around as I was a student. I've been as soon as school vacation I come. My mom do works here, so anytime vacation time I try to come around. Seriously, some of us we have to leave today. Some of us, so I've helped some people to remove their, as you can see myself. Now some are from Tepos, Minibar, Apam, Makesi. Oh, we are pleading on their behalf that they should see us through this situation. And also, they are saying that the rubbish is around too much. See, if I should take you around that place, you see that the dustbin is full, but it's still there. So what are you expecting us to put the rubbish? So they will probably go to the sea. So if the dustbin is full, they should take it away so that we also, when you sweep our houses, we can send them. Thank you.
I would like seeing you coming together to help fight against galamsey, to protect our environment and make this Ghana like a safe place for you now. Because if Ghana be no, it's not politics, it's not government. No. And if you look at what is happening now, and your government is individuals, so if we do things to promote Ghana, it will be on our own advantage. Then if will be able to any fault. Because we'll be not the cause so just making everything bad. It is not nice, you understand? So don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Like, comment, and share. You can follow us on all social media platforms, Authentic Plus Studios.